Hey, it's Parker. Today I'm going to take you on a quick tour of some beautiful new construction in Decatur, Georgia. Let's go check it out. So I was out looking for some clients who were interested in new construction, and I dropped by here as it's right in my neighborhood. This is the 12 Oaks development by Minerva Homes. Minerva is a great builder. They're working on some really terrific single-family and townhome developments in the Decatur-Emory area. This is just about 3 miles from Emory University and 4 miles from downtown Decatur Square. It's right on the edge of 3 of Decatur's best neighborhoods, and it's a short 2-minute walk to all the great restaurants at the Oak Grove Plaza. The neighborhood is currently under construction. It's about 75% sold, and you can see some of the finished houses here. Beautiful brickwork, board and batten, just really nice attention to the details. And you can see some of the homes currently under construction here. So we're going to take a look at this house. It's 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, 3,400 square feet, 2-car garage. Currently on the market, just under $780,000. You can see it's got some really beautiful craftsman style columns out front, great looking siding, really nice brickwork. Let's take a look inside. I love the look of this modern fireplace with the floating mantle and the shiplap surround. You have a really nice open floor plan with recessed lighting. Here's a look down from the staircase into the living room and across to the dining area. The dining area has a great little niche for some display cabinets or bookshelves. Okay, now check out this gorgeous kitchen here, this huge island. These beautiful custom shaker cabinets. You got quartz countertop, a real classic, very tasteful backsplash. High-end Bosch appliances. There's a command center desk with a walk-in pantry on the right. This is what we call a flex room, so it can be used as an office or as a guest bedroom, depending on your needs. Quartz countertops throughout the house. This bathroom has an easy care marble look porcelain tile, which is used in a lot of $1 million plus new builds in Brookhaven and Decatur. If you like what we're doing here, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Now let's go look at the second floor. All right, here's a look at the top of the stairs on the second floor. You can see the open den loft area in the distance there, which would be great for a media room. Beautiful clean lines and craftsmanship on the railings. This is the master bedroom with this tray ceiling and this very cozy and warm gray carpet. Love it. This is a really expansive and luxurious master bedroom. You just will not see a master bedroom this large in any Decatur home that's more than about 20 years old. Speaking of luxurious, look at this bathroom here. Beautiful quartz countertops. You've got these clean line, modern faucets, drawer pulls, and you got a double sink with a ton of storage underneath. There's a large shower and also this gorgeous soaking tub. Full-size upstairs laundry room with this really cool cement look tile floor. Here's one of the other bedrooms. One of the really nice features of this house is that each bedroom has an ensuite bath, which means you can walk right into the bathroom from the bedroom. You don't have to walk out into the hallway. We'll take a quick look into the media room here, and then we'll finish with a look at the back of the house. So that's it. If you like what we're doing here, please hit the like button, comment, even subscribe. If you're considering a move to Atlanta, Georgia, give me a call.